I've been in knee pain for a lot of years. When I was younger, I did karate and I dislocated my knee once, showing off like a bumpkin. And then I used to skydive for sport when I was younger. Jumped hundreds and hundreds of times. My last jump in 1985 didn't turn out so well. I love to dance. I love couples dancing. I like the kayak. I like the boat. I like to hike. I like to do yoga. I teach a beginner yoga class, and I hope to go backpacking again. I had my surgery middle of November in 2016. And I was very dedicated to physical therapy. You know, one of the things I like to do for fun is climb trees. And climbing trees involves, as does yoga, involves flexibility. And without the flexibility I've regained, I don't think I'd be able to continue doing those activities the way I have been with satisfaction. But one of the things I like to do in trees is build platforms. I design that flat platform to meet the tree the way the limbs are. And I feel like my knee, Conformis, did the same thing. This knee was made to fit my body, not the other way around. This is my knee right there. That's my knee. Yeah, it's a no-brainer. This Conformis is the future. You know, made-to-order knees, specific to your body, is the future. And I'm lucky because the future is in my knee right now.